Welcome to the journey of purity. It all begins here, amidst nature's embrace.
Only the finest, sun-ripened guavas are selected for our premium juice. Hand-picked with care, ensuring every fruit remains perfect and unblemished.
From the orchard directly to our facility, freshness is our top priority. Welcome to our state-of-the-art processing plant, where technology meets nature. Efficient logistics ensure the fruit arrives in peak condition.
Careful handling at every step prevents any damage to the delicate fruit.
Advanced optical sorting technology separates the best from the rest. The journey into transformation begins on the sorting line. The journey into transformation begins on the sorting line. Advanced optical sorting technology separates the best from the rest. Hygiene is non-negotiable. We start with a thorough multi-stage wash. The purification process commences on a grand scale. Every fruit is immediately immersed in a cleansing bath. Our multi-stage washing system ensures absolute hygiene from the start.
Air bubbles gently scrub away surface impurities without harming the skin.
The purification process commences on a grand scale.
Gentle yet effective, cleaning deep into the fruit's natural texture.
Rotating brushes ensure a deep clean, reaching every contour of the fruit.
Next, the fruits pass under a series of specialized rotating brushes.
This mechanical action, polishing the skin to perfection.
Continuous fresh water jets rinse away impurities instantly.
A final high-pressure rinse guarantees absolute purity.
Clean, fresh, and ready for extraction.
Emerging pristine, sparkling clean, and ready for transformation. Human vigilance complements our automated systems for zero defects. The crushing process unlocks the rich flavor hidden within. The journey to liquid gold begins in the crushing chamber,
Instantaneously unlocking the rich, flavor-filled interior.
breaking down the fruit while preserving its natural integrity. Cold press technology preserves the natural vitamins and vibrant color. Our state-of-the-art cold press technology takes over next.
Gentle extraction ensures maximum flavor retention and vibrant color.
Precision screens separate the desirable pulp from unwanted solids. Seeds and skin are precisely separated, leaving only the smooth, lush pulp, ensuring only the pure, smooth essence of the fruit remains.
Enzymatic treatment refines the texture, making it perfectly smooth.
Microfiltration ensures a silky, consistent mouthfeel in every sip.
The viscosity is perfect, and the mixture is completely homogeneous. We are ready to proceed.
Flash pasteurization eliminates bacteria while locking in freshness.
Homogenization creates a stable, uniform juice that never separates. Every batch is rigorously tested in our on-site laboratory.
Safety and shelf life are guaranteed through advanced sterilization. We manufacture our own bottles to ensure absolute sterility. Each bottle is sterilized before a single drop of juice enters. Precision filling at high speeds, capturing the freshness instantly. Hermetically sealed to protect the goodness inside. Our label represents a promise of quality and natural taste. Automation ensures efficiency and consistency in packaging. Securely packed and ready for the journey to your table. Our global distribution center operates around the clock.
So this last pallet here is going to Houston, right?
That's correct. Sign right here and you're good to go.